Mongolian beef ramen, despite its name, did not originate in Mongolia. It originated in Taiwan and spread to other places throughout Asia, like China. It came to America during the 19th century with the mass migration of Chinese peoples to the U.S. It has slowly changed throughout its time in the U.S. and become more Americanized. Hey Mason, what's red, and if it falls out of a tree it can kill you?
An apple?
A fire truck.
That's just dumb.
Red braised pork belly is a classic pork dish that originated in the Henan province of mainland China. Although it is found throughout the country, it is known as Mao's pork dish because it was one of Mao Zedong's favorite dishes. The popularity and significance of the dish caused the provincial government of Henan to codify the recipe. It was brought over in the 19th century and is eaten on special occasions in the US and China.
Chinese twist, or mahua, is a traditional Chinese food of the northern region, Tianjin. It is said a long time ago that the city ran wild with scorpions. In an attempt to curse these scorpions, they made this food. It was very crisp, like a scorpion's tail. They fried it and twisted it. When you ate it, it was called biting the scorpion's tail. They made it when they came over, as they did not have a lot of money, and it was relatively easy to make in celebration of the new year, and it was just a celebratory food.